Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got the heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is so different, guys. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called Aptoslaunch.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Now, guys, I got the biggest project on Aptos for you here. 100,000 plus community, guys, with its token, the alt, trading on major exchanges such as KuCoin and MEXC. Their previous IDO returns range from 4x to 50x. Like, crazy money, guys. Cha-ching. Before we dive into the details of this one, I do want to talk about understanding the Aptos launch, the IBO, the initial bond offering, what they're all about. Essentially, guys, this project is currently the largest project on the Aptos, boasting a vibrant community of over 100,000 members. Its token, the alt token, is actively traded on major exchanges like KuCoin and MEXC. The previous IDOs conducted by Aptoslaunch have yielded impressive returns ranging from 4x to 50x. Now, guys, the Aptoslaunch is expanding the SUI with the introduction of the SUI launch. Instead of the IDO, guys, they're conducting an IBO, allowing participants to acquire SUI launch token, the SLT, through bonding. The IBO consists of 60 rounds, each offering a bonding rate with prices incrementally increasing of each round. So sliding down their homepage here, they say that they're more than a launch pad. You can empower your crypto project with a community-powered liquidity. Aptos Web 3.0 launch is the safest and scalable layer 1 blockchain solution, guys. You get early access to the new Aptos ideas. This brings up top-tier solutions to the Aptos and their community every day. Discover their products, guys, the Launchpad, the insurance coverage, staking, investing, the vesting swap, the spaceport, and the governance. Their active project on projects for Aptos launch, guys. What we have here is SUI launch, the SLT token, in which we can participate in their IBO. There is going to be more information on that later in the video, guys. I'm going to show you what they have in their Gitbook here for full transparency. But for all of their completed token sales, we can see their Aptos launch token sale, the Move Kitties, the first breed-able NFT project on Aptos that allows you to create and trade unique NFTs, with 3,000 APT raised, as well as Able Finance, the first cross-chain lending platform built on the Aptos and SUI. They support diversified secured assets, guys. Again, $50,000. So all of their past launches, we had 6x for the Aptos launch. The Move Kitties was 37x. Oh my God, guys, I wish I got into that one. Wow. The Able Finance launch, which is 2x as well, which is still pretty good, guys. It's better than nothing, right? Now, we do have Spaceport here, where they're building projects together with a group of equally smart and passionate founders. Move Kitties, Venture Finance, SUI launch, Metaran. All right, so as promised, guys, here is their Gitbook. Recently, Aptos launch is expanding to SUI with SUI launch. Instead of the IDO, guys, they're doing an initial bond offering, which is also called an IBO. With SUI launch's token, the SLT token, we have all of the information that we need to know about them here. Some of the benefits of joining the IBO, as I mentioned, guys, 50% of the ALT raised is burned. By 60 rounds of IBO finishes, ALT supply aims to reduce supply by 30%. The price of the SLT token increases after each IBO round, so there is a natural increase of the SLT price driven by IBO. This staking for SLT is 400% APY, and SLT ALT-LP pool is 800% APY. And we'll see that on the staking page shortly, guys. But we can see here how their IBO works. So users are able to bond the following assets in return for the SLT token: the ALT APT, USDT ALT SLT LP tokens. And an example of demonstrating how it works, guys. As I said, the bonding rate 1 to 10, lockup period is 7 days. For each epoch, time is 6 hours, which means there's going to be 28 epochs in total. A user uses 1,000 ALT to purchase SLT via the vesting swap function, with the bonding rate of 1 ALT being 10 SLT. The total expected tokens received will be 10,000 SLT. 10,000 SLT will be released to users across the lockup period for 7 days. There will be a total of 28 epochs for the next 7 days. Each epoch time is 6 hours. The user will be receiving 357.14 SLT per epoch, which means 1,428.57 tokens a day for the next 7 days. Note that once you've swapped the ALT for the discounted SLT using the vested swap function. You will not be able to swap back using the vested swap function, but you can swap to ALT in the ALT SLT pool. So going over those staking APYs again, we have all of the information here, guys. We can see all of the different pools, and we can select the individual pools as well if we want individual information on those. Some good APY returns from. Now let's talk about how to use the IBO. For anyone who might be wondering, we went over an example here of how this is going to work. Again, the 1 to 10 bonding rate changes after each batch finishes, the SUI launch, IBO schedule, and tokenomics. So as for the schedule and price limit here, guys, the main characteristics of the SLT IBO, there's going to be 60 rounds for users to participate in. All bonding rates are based on the ratio of ALT SLT. The first round's limit is $10,000 US. Once the contributed token value amount exceeds 10,000 USD, the round terminates and moves on to the next round. The second round's limit will be 10,200 USD. The third round's limit will be 10,400 USD, and so on until the 60th round finishes. By the 60th round, guys, the limit will be 21,800 USD. The first round bonding rate will be at 1 ALT to 10 SLT. The second round bonding rate, 1 ALT to 9.8 SLT. The third round bonding rate will be 1 ALT to 9.6 SLT, and so on until the 60th round finishes. By the 60th round, the SLT price in ALT will be 0.218. The full bonding round SLT price and rounds limit details linked. So guys, as for the timeline, the SLT will first launch on the Aptos chain using the Aptoslaunch IBO Launchpad solution. So users can use their ALT TLT to bond to the SLT, the Launchpad token for the SUI ecosystem. You can enjoy sufficient liquidity on the Aptos ecosystem using the ALT SLT pair, since SUI is still a fairly new ecosystem and liquidity is immature. So guys, the first SLT IBO round starts on the 10th of May, which has already passed obviously, but there are a lot more that are coming. And again, the tokenomics, we have all the information here, so definitely check it out, guys. Last but not least, here is their Launchpad, guys, where you can invest. Check out project details, the initial bond offering developed by Aptoslaunch. Everything is here for us, guys. Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lambo Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Hodl Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether the opinion is negative or positive, we would be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. Group hug. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out. Really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing some more crypto reviews and exclusive international blockchain events. We are the channel for that, guys, as you know. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.